Is it time to buy or sell Ginkgo Bioworks stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Ginkgo Bioworks. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of June, 2025, our system has ranked Ginkgo Bioworks as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.87. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhere to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 71.68% since we first identified Ginkgo Bioworks as a buy candidate 42 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.71% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a further increase within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly 79% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 50% and 113%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of approximately 12.85%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decline of nearly 48% to an increase of 46% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $7.05 and $19.59. Our latest daily update for Ginkgo Bioworks includes the headline, Red Day on Thursday for Ginkgo Bioworks. The Ginkgo Bioworks stock price fell by 3.58% on the last day, Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, from $13.96 to $13.46. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 8.79%, with a day low at $13.13 and a day high of $14.28. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 9.66% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 335,000 shares despite the falling prices. This may act as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 1 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $20,030,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $16.85, while the lowest price was $5. Currently, the price is 20.12%, or $3.39, below the 52-week high, and 97.88%, or $621.10, below the all-time high on the 9th of November, 2021, when the price reached $634.56. Ginkgo Bioworks has just reported its second quarter financial results for 2025, highlighting its restructuring efforts and the achievement of a significant $250 million cost savings target. This strategic move positions Ginkgo as a leader in cell programming and biosecurity, which could enhance investor confidence and positively influence the stock price in the short term, especially given the market's focus on operational efficiency. Recent developments also include Ginkgo's deployment of its modular automation technology to the Environmental Molecular Sciences Laboratory, a progressive step toward advancing research in the bioeconomy. Such initiatives not only demonstrate Ginkgo's commitment to innovation, but are likely to fuel long-term growth prospects, attracting further investment. However, the stock has experienced volatility, with recent trading sessions displaying both gains and losses. A notable drop of 6.31% occurred despite a broader market uptick. This instability may cause caution among investors in the near term, but could offer buying opportunities for those focusing on the company's long-term potential. Additionally, the company's new chief financial officer appointment signals a proactive approach to leadership and financial strategy, which can be reassuring to shareholders. Overall, these developments are pivotal as they suggest a balancing act between immediate market responses and long-term strategic growth, making Ginkgo Bioworks a noteworthy stock to watch in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 17th of September 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned DNA a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 23rd of August 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned DNA a sell rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 26th of June 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned DNA a sell rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 15th of May 2024, it was reported that BTIG assigned DNA a sell rating with a downgrade action. On Friday, the 10th of May 2024, it was reported that William Blair assigned DNA an underperform rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned Ginkgo Bioworks stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Ginkgo Bioworks. Ginkgo Bioworks stock presents buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is identified due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. On any downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $13.36 and $11.50. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 24, 2025, with a current decline of 9.66%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices recently, serving as an early warning that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 200 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 46 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 42 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 30 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ginkgo Bioworks. Ginkgo Bioworks finds support from accumulated volume at $13.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting a high level of volatility. With a very large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.15 between its high and low, which represents approximately 8.79%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 8.42%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Ginkgo Bioworks, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative $1.44. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ginkgo Bioworks. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ginkgo Bioworks is at $13.96. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Ginkgo Bioworks faces its first support level at $13.35. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Ginkgo Bioworks from various analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Cohen Stephen P., who bought and sold 4,805 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 57.531. In total, insiders acquired 530,432 shares and divested 122,512 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $12.84, representing a decline of 4.63%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top that was identified 10 days ago. Is Ginkgo Bioworks stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Ginkgo Bioworks stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we expect Ginkgo Bioworks to open higher by approximately 164 ten-thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $13.62. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.